Hey y'all, it's India, Miss Butterfly 112, and today we are going to make cream of whatever soup. In the pot we have a few tablespoons of butter. We're going to turn the heat on to medium. Okay, you're going to add flour. It's going to be the same amount of flour to butter. We're going to whisk that in. We are making a roux. You're going to cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, it should look like this. See how everything is mixed? Now you're going to add in your broth. Today I'm using beef broth. And milk. Today I'm using oat milk. I'm going to whisk that until smooth. Okay, you're going to bring the beef broth, the milk, and the roux to a simmer and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the sauce thickens. Now we're going to add in black pepper. I'm not measuring this. I'm going to add some salt, about the same amount, and some onion powder. You could add garlic powder, but I'm allergic to garlic, so I'm adding onion powder. Again, same amount. I'll have the measurements and all the ingredients that I use to this recipe. We're going to whisk that in, and we're going to just let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until it thickens. And this is how simple it is. Okay, so once the mixture thickens, you're going to remove it from the heat, and you're going to use it as you would a cream of mushroom soup or whatever condensed soup you normally would buy. Y'all, look at this. I mean, there's no need to buy store-bought when you can just make it at home. So simple.